y'all? I'm back. It's your girl Quan. How you doing out there? Hope everybody having a lovely day or whatnot. I just wanted to come and show you real quick this lace front wig that I picked up yesterday from my beauty supply store. It is full lace. Y'all know what the full lace means. It just has that little strip of lace in the back, which is kind of aggravating. Because you supposedly supposed to be able to pull it all the way up and this, that, and other. And you can to a certain extent. But anyways, let me get my little tag. The full lace wig from that First Lady collection. It says it has the front and rear lace. And the style of this wig is called Bonnie. It's the full lace Bonnie wig. And it is in a color number 2. It was like $39.99 or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, it doesn't have like a whole lot of room to part. I mean, I like it. I like the way it's real snug and secure even when I don't use the combs, and I like that because sometimes the combs really dig into me. And it does have the comb here, It has the 2 hooks in the back, and like I said, it has that little flap of lace, and it has the little bit of lace in the front. As far as the hairline goes, my thing with lace front wigs, to me, the most important thing is to make it your own. You know, make it look the way you want it to look. You know, just because, like, girl, you don't supposed to cut your lace like that, or this, that, and the other. Just do your own thing. It's got an okay hairline. I mean, it's just a typical synthetic lace front wig. It's made of that hard lace that kind of, it does kind of itch to me. So I don't really be playing them that much because the synthetic ones kind of, irritate me. But it has some 2 flaps on the side, them 2 little stay flaps. So if you do pull it up or pull it back, just make sure you have, some security, whether you're using some tape or some pins, or, if you like to glue your lace fronts, I wouldn't suggest it. I mean, unless you're the type of person that wear them for weeks at a time, I would just suggest, using them or doing them like normal half wigs. And like I mentioned, I mean, I done tried to freak it and funk it out and give myself a little bit of a part. But as you can tell, there isn't much lace to part right there. So you basically, you know what I'm saying, just making it an invisible part. And sometimes I like to put a little bit of my foundation there just so that lace will, blend in a little bit better against my skin. And sometimes with these lace front wigs, I'll take a little bit of my hair out because the way my hairline is anyway, it's really hard sometimes for me to do it because I got like a lot of dips in my hairline. So, I just take a little bit out just to camouflage it, because who wants to, look like, they got an edge up, because, I'm okay. In class, it's a girl I've been knowing her for years, but she having a lace front wig, and it's a nice bob cut wig, nice pretty brown wig, but right across the middle of her forehead, it just looked like somebody took a straight razor because of how she has it lined up. She doesn't use, like, what I'm saying, any of her own hair to camouflage. And the reason why I'm looking down, I was looking for something to kind of like pin it up, but I don't know. I guess, like I said, you can basically do some things with it as long as you keep them flaps pinned down. You can do a whole lot of things. Pin it back, pin it up, do it how you want to do it. The pattern of this wig is more of a deep wavy, a spirally wave, and it's about 18 inches. I would say if you stretch it out, it might even be a little longer than 18 inches. It's lightweight. It's when you first get it, you won't think it's a lot of hair until you start playing with it, start finger combing it, start, like I said, making it your own. I'm not sure if it's heat resistant or not. I think it's just a regular lace front wig. I don't see anything on this tag to where it says you could put any heat to it. And I mean, it's wavy. That's what you got the wig for anyway. Why would you want to put any heat to it? And like I said, the hairline for the most part is okay, but it's just the hairline of a typical lace front wig. And one more time, ladies, here it is. Her name is Bonnie, full lace wig, from the Femi collection, the First Lady collection. A little lace in the front, a little bit in the back, but all in all, you know what I'm saying, It's a good wig, got soft texture, but I can say I'm gonna tell you. But as with any curly lace front or wavy lace front, it's gonna do its share of tangling before you know what I'm saying. You probably will want it to, but anyway, I think she's cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Cause like I said, you can kind of do whatever to it. But anyways, until the next week, y'all. I'm out. Deuces.